back to World Drum Club. I'm Kalani, your host and teacher, and in the last lesson I showed you two basic strokes, the single stroke and the double stroke. Now let's put them together and do a double stroke roll. So a double stroke roll is really simple. It's just alternating double strokes. And in the last lesson we looked at a two-part technique, 1, 2, for our double stroke. So we're going to use that in both hands, and we're just going to alternate it right, left, or right, left, right, left. And what can you do with double strokes? Well, you can do lots more rudiments. I'm not going to show you all of the ones you can do right now, but basically we build different kinds of rolls, also things called roughs, like a 4-stroke rough, which is right, right, or left, right, left. We can do a 5-stroke roll, which is right, left, right. So you've probably heard those kind of figures in military style snare drumming, and that's mostly where we have this kind of double stroke roll as opposed to a buzz roll, which I will show you in another video, which we see more in orchestral work and also jazz drum set playing, different kinds of drumming. But as far as this rudimentary style or rudimental style, that would be more like the military style. But we use all these things today in different styles of music. So let's just review again. The double stroke roll is made up of double strokes that are continuous. I've got the snares off. We could certainly turn them on. I'm trying not to blast my microphone out here, but you can try this with the snares off, snares on, different kinds of drums, tabletop, practice pad. The idea is to get the sound pretty consistent so it doesn't sound like this. You don't have an unevenness, you have an evenness. So both strokes, right, left, are pretty much even. I'm a little rusty, but you get the idea. And you can practice that. If you have helpful comments, you can leave them in the comments below. And I appreciate you guys being here and being part of the World Drum Club global drumming community. I'm Kalani. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like it if you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in a future lesson.